And they taught me you don't need a king to be a queen. You don't need Ken to be Barbie. Every girl is Barbie in her own right. The girl that can make anything possible, rise from any circumstances, and be anything she wants to be.
You're dead. The things that matter is like leaving your art and respecting yourself and caring what you feel about yourself rather than what everyone else thinks about you. Not letting yourself be imprisoned by other people's thoughts of you. I think that's really important as a human being.